I get to drive a lot of different cars throughout the year, and there are only a few of them that I would buy. As you can imagine, the Lexus LC 500 is one of those cars. It looks like a road legal concept car and is without a doubt the most beautiful model that Lexus has ever made. Let me tell you what made me fall in love with this car. The LC500 is powered by an incredible high-revving NA 5-liter V8 with direct and port injection, which puts out 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. The engine builds up the power in a very smooth fashion up to 7200 RPM, and it sounds fantastic even with stock exhaust. The 10-speed transmission, which transfers the power to the rear wheels, has been revised for 2019 model year and is almost at the same level as the 8-speed unit that you can find in BMWs. In both sport and manual modes, it shifts gears insanely quickly, and in comfort mode it is buttery smooth. Even though the LC500 weighs over 4,400 pounds, it feels nimble thanks to active rear-wheel steering, which is a part of the optional performance package. The whole structure feels very rigid, and despite being rear-wheel drive, the LC is stable and predictable. Obviously, due to heavy front end, the car will understeer at some point, and you have to keep in mind that the Lexus LC is a Gran Turismo, not a sport-oriented coupe. Lexus Safety System Plus is obviously standard across the whole lineup. It includes automatic braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beam. Just like the exterior, the interior is spectacular. The design is very distinctive and the craftsmanship is unbelievable. There is an excellent mix of high quality materials and everything is fantastic to the touch. I have only one gripe with the LC500. Its N-Form infotainment system, which is controlled via a touchpad. The system itself is somewhat intuitive, but using the touchpad is really hard while driving. The seats, contrary to most Lexus models, are on a stiffer side, but they provide great support and are relatively comfortable. The trunk is surprisingly wide and it offers 5.4 cubic feet of space. In my opinion, the Lexus LC500 is the best car you can get without going into supercar territory. It combines modern design and technology and an old-school naturally aspirated V8 that we all love, mainly because it's one of the few of its kind left on the market. At the same time, the car is not overcomplicated, and I have a feeling that this car, being a Lexus, will be reliable. The price of the LC500 starts at $92,300, and my fully loaded tester equipped with every possible option was priced at $105,595.